give yourselves a big round of applause for being here this evening and supporting all our artists and supporting Shruthi Adelaide. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Panchamatanga Ganapatina.
Namaste. Good evening, everyone. I am just going to give you a very quick overview of this program. The theme is Prakriti and sustainability. Prakriti is a Sanskrit word, and sustainability, everyone probably would be aware in some sense or the other. My main references to this brief talk is mainly our scriptures. So before I dive into explaining the whole how this program is connected and coming under this theme, I would like to start with a prayer.
Namana Shri Harige Namana Shri Brahmage Namana Shri Mrityunjayange
About the Panchabhuta elements.
Namaste. Can we please discuss about the Panchabhuta elements?
Of course. Observe the boundless space that surrounds us. Akasha represents infinity, potential, and the space for new beginnings. It holds the universe's secrets.
I'm very new to Parliament. In fact, I'm the newest member of Parliament, being elected at a by-election last year. And I'm also, oh, thank you.
Anandamritagarshini Amritagarshini Haradi Pujite Shive Bhavani Anandamritagarshini.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to acknowledge that the land we meet on today is traditional lands of the Kaurna people, and that we respect their spiritual relationship with their country. I understand the Mayor, Robert Breer, has been here, and Jack Batty, the member for Bragg. Can I recognise your President and your Executive Committee?
रमणीय जटाकलापम् चिन्तयम कन्दमूल
अङ्गीकृताखिल विभूतिरपाङ्गलीला
जयतु जय जय जयतु काळि तगिड गिडितक रूपकराळि झमक झम झम जाति कंद ताति करधरि चंड मुंड जीव लह लह रुधिर तुंड मा करळि सब करळ रसन
ईशने कैलासनाथने कृपाकरने भयहरने सलहौ ईशने
Manjunath Rudrapatna here. I give a big thanks to him. Without his extensive research and getting deep into the scriptures to find the finite slokas and explanation for those slokas for every one of us, so that we can know what the elemental significance for our sustainable living. So finally, I need to extend my sincere thanks to my team, headed by Ms. Suma and our funds officer Kaushik and our treasurer Arjun. And I had to extend my thanks to our graceful MC Anusha to making sure that every program goes very well without any problem.
Thank you, Pani, for organizing. Well done. Thank you, Pani.